Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to use the flex mode for the hands-free photos. So, at first you need to open the phone, unlock it. Now, open the camera app. Now, fold your phone into half. Fold the phone to about 90-degree angle or another angle that keeps it stable. It should be like this. And now, here you need to frame your shot using the camera preview on the screen. So now here we can, for example, aim at our logo right here. Here we have it. And here we need to choose one of the ways to capture our photo. It's either tapping this capture button right here or setting a timer such as 3 seconds or 10 seconds to give ourselves a time, which is easy to do because here we've got, as you can see, this menu. And if we tap this clock icon right here, we can see a timer for example 10 seconds. Let's now take a photo. Apart from that, we can show our palm to trigger countdown. Of course, if your gesture capture is enabled, and we can press a volume down button. I think volume down, it was volume down. It's power, wait a moment. Yeah, okay. Here. Yes, volume down button. And volume up, so both volume buttons. And we need to stay in the position while the photo is taken. So that's how it works. Goodbye.